हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ खुशी हियर टू गिव यू सम मोर खुशी। सो मैं आ चुकी हूँ आपके सामने एक न्यू व्लॉग लेकर और इस व्लॉग में मैं आप सबको दिखाने जा रही हूँ मेरी उदयपुर राजस्थान की पूरी जर्नी। सो गाइस, सबसे पहले हम थोड़ा सा ब्रेकफास्ट करके निकल चुके थे सिटी पैलेस उदयपुर के लिए। गाइस, टू टेल यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली, द सिटी पैलेस वॉज ravishing. The city palace is located on the banks of the lake Pichola. Built over several centuries by the rulers of the Mewar, it is known for its grand architecture, intricate balconies and courtyards. So guys, right now you can see me standing at the most radiant place of this city palace called as More Chowk. It is known for its beautiful peacock mosaics, ornate balconies and colorful glass. Every detail here speaks of royalty, making Udaipur City Palace a true masterpiece of architecture. Then guys, we read some information about the Zenana Palace, means women's palace. The Museum of City Palace Udaipur preserves the rich heritage of Mewar rulers. Through its artifacts, paintings, beautiful decorations of the balconies, it offers the visitors a glimpse into centuries of Rajput and culture. This section of City Palace showcases the traditional museum instruments which were once used in the Mewar Palace. Then guys, we enjoyed the boat ride in the Pichola Lake and you can see the City Palace behind. The experience was truly fascinating. Then we went into the hotel which was built on the Pichola Lake. It was so beautiful. The scene from that hotel you can see. मुझे मत देखना, सीन को देखिए। फैमिली के साथ इतने ब्यूटीफुल स्पॉट पे लंच करना कितना फैसिनेटिंग होगा, you could see. Then guys, we visited the royal garden called as सहेलियों की बारी. पहले तो आप इन फ्लावर्स को देखिए, मुझे नहीं फ्लावर्स को देखना है. It was the most beautiful experience. The garden was built by Maharana Sangram Singh II for the royal ladies of Mewar court. It is famous for its marble pavilions, lotus pools, lush greenery and the beautiful fountains. It was designed as a peaceful retreat for the queens and her companions so that they can relax in the nature. Saheliyon ki Bari, also known as the Garden of Maidens, was built in early 18th century. Guys, you can see these radiant flowers and the scene over here. This was really a very beautiful and charming experience. And actually I loved those elephant fountains you can see there. Now guys, you can watch me standing in front of one of the most mesmerizing living structure in Udaipur. Look at the sheer scale of these intertwined veins and roots wrapping around each other. If you look closely at the perimeter, you find this absolute giant a masterpiece of natural architecture. Walking through these grounds feels like stepping directly into a living, breathing painting of India's regal past. Saheliyon ki Bari is more than just a garden. It is a beautifully preserved whisper of royal sisterhood and artistic brilliance. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. If you like the vlog, please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.